front of me I've got XIAOMI POCO M4 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app and tap button in the top right corner. Go to Settings and enter Google Assistant. Enter Voice Match and enable Hey Google. Now go back, enter lock screen and make sure that this function is enabled. Thanks to that, you'll be able to activate Hey Google on the lock screen. Simply say, OK Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be sunny with a high of 48 and a low of 24.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.